So what's going on, guys? DIY Dan here again, and this is another episode of Day to Day Around the House. In this video, I'm going to go over an easy way to unclog your sink drains. Now, this is bound to happen if you're like me and have any long-haired individuals living in your house. I'm lucky enough to have a wife and 2 daughters, all with long hair. So on average, once a year, give or take a little bit, I do clean out the drains of the 3 sinks that my wife and daughters use on a consistent basis. The other thing you might get if you do have this problem is a smell coming from the drain every time you put water in it. And then I will explain how to take your P-trap down really quickly at the very end of this video in case what I'm telling you at the first part of this video does not work for you. We're going to go over how I clean out the drains first, so let's get to it. So I've had the tool I used for quite a while. I did do a quick search on Amazon and there are several different variations of the same tool. They're all pretty cheap and they all basically have the same concept. Now you can unclog these drains without pulling the drain plug. However, my daughter tried to do that, ended up getting stuck on the drain plug, tugged on it a little too hard and ended up breaking one of the drain plugs. And I'll be showing you how to replace that as well later in this video. So I'm going to show you one extra step, pulling the drain plug. That'll end up saving you time and frustration to clean these drains out without having to pull your P-trap down. So here's a final look at everything I got out of that drain, just using it with the drain plug in place. You can see how much better it's draining. And as long as you're careful, you can do it that way. So here's the second sink, and this is the one my daughter broke the drain plug, tugging on that tool too hard. Being as though that drain plug was broke, I pulled it out of the way, and that made it 10 times easier to get all the material out of this drain that was clogging it. So instead of the 5 minutes it took me going around each part of the drain carefully, it basically took me about 10 seconds to clear this drain out. So this is the sink in our master bathroom that my wife always uses. And you can see me trying to get it out without pulling the drain out. And I am having a little bit of luck, but not much. So after fighting that for about a minute, I decided to pull the drain out. And all you have to do that is go under the sink and unscrew one nut. And I was able to unscrew it by hand. You might have to use a pair of pliers to break it free. And then you just pull that out and the drain plug will come right out without a problem. Look at the nastiness on that thing. And without pulling that drain plug, I wouldn't have been able to get that cleaned off. And here you can see the big clump of hair and nasty that I pulled out of my wife's sink that she always uses. We were also getting a little bit of a rank smell coming from this sink whenever it would have water go down it. And this rectified that problem as well. So right here you can see how much easier it is to get in there. And you can also reach all the way down with that tool to the P-trap and try and unclog anything down there as well. I use this aquarium tubing cleaner just to clean the drain out a little bit more to try and get some more of that crap out of there. Then all you have to do is make sure you put that drain plug back in the same way it came out. And just make sure the plastic end of this rod goes into the hole in the bottom of the drain plug. And if you set it down in the sink, it should just go right in. So once that drain plug is set back into place, the rod should push right into it without a problem. If necessary, you might have to lift up on the drain plug while trying to push the rod into place to make sure it fully seats into the drain. You do not want to tighten it down or force it if it is not fully seated. Then all you have to do is thread the nut back on. Now before tightening it down all the way, I did go up and double check to make sure the drain was opening and closing correctly. Then I went ahead and went back down there with a pair of pliers and just snugged it up a little bit. And that's how easy it is to unclog your drains on all your bathroom sinks. Now I'm just quickly going to go over just changing the drain stopper. I ended up getting it off of Amazon for about $8. I did get a little better video of changing this one out and go over a little bit more details than the one while I was cleaning the drain. So let's get to it. So since the old one was broke, I just pulled it out, matched it up to the new one and made sure it was the same. Went under the sink. This time it was a plastic nut instead of metal. Unthreaded that, pulled the rod out, put the new drain stopper back into place the same way it came out, which should be with this tab facing the rod. Most likely you're going to want to hold that drain plug up a little bit while reaching your other hand down and putting the rod up into place. This one did fight me a little bit, You want to make sure the ball fully seats into the drain. Otherwise, you are not in correctly and you do not want to force it. Once you get it seated properly, you should be able to lift up and down on the drain and it will not come out, and you'll see the rod underneath leveraging up and down. That pretty much tells you you're in correctly. Then all you have to do is tighten the nut back down. Keep in mind this is just a plastic nut, so nothing more than hand tight is necessary. And then I just went up top and checked it one more time, and then obviously put some water in the sink and made sure it would stop the water from draining out. If it does still leak water and it will not pull down tight enough to seal, you will need to make an adjustment to this rod. On this style, you would squeeze these tabs together and then pull the lever off of the rod and make the adjustment as necessary. So 9 times out of 10 with long-haired individuals living at your house, the drain is probably where your clog is going to be. If for whatever reason you clean that out and it's still not draining, most likely cause is going to be in your P-trap. And you can take the P-trap out by loosening these 2 threaded pieces. Once you unthread those 2 nuts, the P-trap will come down and out. You can clean it up and then just push it back up into place and tighten these down. The seals that are used in these are reusable, so it is not a big deal to have to pull a P-trap down if you absolutely have to. And it is a good idea to have a towel and a bucket underneath here to do anything under the sink, just in case you do get some water spillage. So hopefully this video helped you out and it gave you some good information. If so, hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've got all kinds of DIYs, and the whole concept of my channel is to save you guys money by doing it yourselves without wasting your time. Hope to see you next time. Have a good one. Later.